Hi guys! Welcome to my kitchen. Ayan. Ano yung ano tawag nito? Forehead ko. Makinis siya, makinis. Ayan. So, ayan, magluluto ako ng dinner na pinamalingki namin kanina sa Tesco. Ayan. Ayan na yung lamb. Gagawin ko dito, i-roast ko lang siya. Lagyan ko ng salt and pepper. Ayan na yung tawag nito, yung potatoes. Naka-on na yung oven. Yung aming ibang sangkap at yung aming harvest. So ito siya guys, lalagyan ko lang siya ng salt and pepper. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung pepper namin. Ayan. Tapos meron ako ditong dried na mint. Ayan, dadalhin ko yan sa Pilipinas. At saka yung rosemary. So, lalagyan ko rin siya ng rosemary. Ayan. Ito siya. So, ito siya guys is dried. So, ganyan lang. Ilagay ko sa ibaba ito para may flavored yung lamb. So, ayan. Ganyan siya, guys. Tapos, may preheat na ako dito na oven. So, siguro mga 1 hour lang siya. Ayan. Wala sa garden ito. Courgette. Ayan. Laki. At merong bilog. Tonight we eat again this one. Doon sa aming lamb. Ayan, ang laki oh. Ayan guys, malaki. Oh, help me, help me. Otherwise, I'm gonna break the whole thing.
Don't break that.
Can you come here and help me pick? Hindi ko kasi ma-twist. Baka mamaya maano to.
Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah, that's why I asking you for help. It's okay if you break. This is your plant. Yan. Yan, ganda. Very nice. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Yes. Yan yung harvest na zucchini or courgette. Ayan. Huhugasan lang. Tapos hiwa-hiwain. Tapos ilalagay ko lang siya sa oven later. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Nahiwa-hiwa ko na. So ready na yan mamaya sa loob ng oven. Ayan yung beans guys. Malaki na sila. So I don't know.
The cucumbers a lot.
Yeah. We have to pick the beans. Ayan.
I got some spinach, man.
Tomorrow because we're not gonna eat tonight. No, because we have the roast. Ayan guys, ito dahan-dahan baka masira ko. Ayan. Ang lalaki. Ay nako, ayan. Naka-harvest na si Joe dito nung isang araw. So the Bill's hair is working, yeah?
Yeah, seems to be.
Yeah. Ito, yan. Leave the other one because I think that one is okay. Ayan. So, ayan na guys. Kanya nakarami yung cucumber. Tsaka yung beans. Ay, yung isa namatay. Ewan namin bakit namatay. So, ito. Guys, yung green beans na nakuha doon sa garden. So, isusotay ko lang yan dito sa olive oil. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, dito naman is yung courgette. Ayan na, nilagay ko na dyan. So, it can be ready soon. Ayan. Yan lang siya. Na guys, meron na siyang salt and pepper. So, ready na siya. So, ito rin is ready na rin. Ayan. Mainit, mainit, mainit. Ayan. Ready na rin ito. Ayan. Switch off. Ayan. Yung lamb potatoes. So, ayan guys, luto na. Ayan. Mayroon si Jong, tawag dito is Yorkshire pudding. Ayan. At ito is malambot siya guys. Still, look, green pa siya. Ay, green na green siya. Ayan, maganda yung kulay. Pero, malambot na siya. Na-bake lang to. Parang broil. Ayan. Nandyan pa rin yung kanyang sustansya. Ayan, ito yung masarap guys. Ayan. Tsaka yung roast potatoes. Ayan, crunchy. Tapos sa loob is smooth. Ayan, masarap yan guys. Crunchy outside. Wala masyadong oil, no fat. Ayan. Kasi para balance. Ayan, so, ayan, yung, very nice. Ayan. Perfect siya. Ayan. Smells so good. Ay, dito pala yung maganda sa likod. Yan, tapos may gravy. Yan. Sarap, 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 guys. Ito pala yung maganda dito. Yan. Maraming meat. Yan. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yan.
Wow, 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 wow.
So, ayan guys. Super juicy siya. Natingnan nyo naman. Grabe. Grabe sa juicy. Ayan. Very nice. Ayan. So, ayan. Tikman natin. Actually, kumain na ako. Ayan. So, mainit. Super sarap. Ayan. Si Jo mo lang kakain. Kasi nag-late lunch ako. Ayan. So, ayan yung kanyang beans. Ayan. So, yun yung dinner ni Joe. Tanaan natin ng gravy.
I'll clean the kitchen after, Bun.
Yeah.
And then the downstairs.
Yes. Okay.
Smells and looks very nice.
So, enjoy your dinner.
All the beans looks good.
Yeah, your beans. Yeah.
Where's yours?
I eat
you're gonna
later.
eat off here. Your platter.
Yeah.
Thank you, very nice. Bon appetit.
Magulo pa kasi yung bahay namin kasi ang daming lilinisin.
Okay,
We
just
don't have time.
One small glass with a
Yeah, of course you can.
with a lamb.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, take your dinner.
Oh. Oh, you want this?
No, you can
Thank
have
you.
it. Enjoy.
Salamat. Salamat po. Gracias. Gracias.
Yeah. So we end the vlog.
Oh. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Have fun. See you next time.